Hello students, in this video we see various laws for biodiversity conservation. In last video we see what is the conservation of biodiversity. In this video there are many laws for the diversity conservation. So first of all, see what is the laws of biodiversity. In India, several acts were passed from 1972 to 1986 and it is for to protect environment, regulate resource use, protect biodiversity, pollution control and conserve forest. These are the 5 important parts on which these laws are found. First law is a Biological Diversity Act 2002. In 2002 the Biodiversity Act is formed and this act is Parliament of India for prevention of biological diversity in India and provides mechanism for equitable sharing of benefits arising out of use of traditional biological resources and knowledge. Biological Diversity Act gives in India in 2002 for what? For providing mechanism for equitable sharing of benefits arising at use of traditional biological resources and knowledge. This act was passed by Lok Sabha on December 2, 2002 and in Rajya Sabha this act is passed on December 11, 2002. The next act is Wildlife Conservation Act in 1950. For in biodiversity there is wild is a many important parts, so this act is for wildlife. This act of Western Australian Parliament that provides statute relating to conservation and legal protection of flora and fauna. This act is for protection of flora and fauna species. Now third act, it is for air, for prevention and controlling of pollution. This act is given in 1981. This was passed in 1986 in India. This was an umbrella legislation designed to provide a framework for central government. These 3 acts are very important for biodiversity conservation given in India.